Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Microsoft PowerPoint's image background removal tool. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, I will make a new slide here and then I will import an image. I will go to this insert tab, pictures, and this device, and I will import this image. Okay, so let's import this image as well. So now basically if I wanted to remove its background here, I will select this image, and here you can see in this picture format tab we have this remove background option. So just click on this one. Okay, so now the part of image that are in this pink mark that will be removed. Okay, so let's suppose that if we wanted to keep some parts here, we will basically zoom it and we will click on this mark areas to keep, and let's suppose we want his cap, so we will just select this and we will mark this that this should be present in the image. Okay, like this one. Then we want his hands as well, so we will just mark them as well, and I think that's good here. Basically mark areas to remove, so we'll just mark this one to remove, and I think that's good one. And now if you just go to this and now go back here, you can see that we have successfully removed the background of an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.